What's up guys, JTM Off-Road here. Today we're getting the new wheels for the Avalanche. So right now I'm on my way out to Innovative Autoworks where my buddy works, who bought the engine off me just recently. They sell Raceline wheels, and I was looking at the Racelines. Really liked how some of them looked. So I went with the Raceline Defender, and it's like the gunmetal gray, like the dark gray. And I thought the dark gray would be good. I didn't really want to go for black just because, you know, I'm spending money on a wheel, and I kind of want it to stand out a bit. And I feel like the black just kind of disappears. So I hope the gray is going to look good with this truck. My truck's kind of just an odd color in general, so hopefully it works out. So right now, about 15 minutes away. We're going to be there soon, and go ahead and catch up with you then. Here we are. Yeah, I got some nice trucks here. Cool. Got some different cars back here too. Come on, man. Good to see you. This is them.
Yep. I didn't even open them yet.
Oh man. Let's take a peek. Dang. Those are nice. Yeah. Hopefully that'll look good.
Yeah, it should be good. There's the center cap switches there on the back.
Yeah. I like that. Did you guys get lug nuts?
What year is that?
What's that?
What year is that?
It's an 04.
So it's probably 12 by 15. I'll have to pull a lug nut and check it.
Yeah, alright.
It's either 12 by 15 or 14 by 15. There should be something in this stack.
Gotcha. Yeah, I have no clue. Well, go ahead and start pulling them. Well, that's the rear. Oh yeah, that's gonna look good. I like it. It's dark, but not too dark. Alrighty guys, we're on the way home. Got the tires, got the wheels mounted. They look a lot better than I thought it was gonna be. I was kind of nervous on how it was gonna look, and I think it's gonna look great. It's just, can't wait to get this lift on, get the wheels and tires on. I kind of feel bad. He gave me a tour afterwards, and I didn't take my camera, and it's one heck of a shop they have there. He gets to work on a lot of cool stuff, and they're taking some stuff to SEMA, and they normally do. So, real cool place. Like I said, short video, didn't really do a whole lot in this one, but yeah, I thought it'd be a good one to get out there and show you the wheels and tires, and then next is just to get the lift on. Alrighty guys, so if this is the first time to this channel, be sure to subscribe, give the video a thumbs up if you like it, we'll see you in the next one.